So, this is the 3D printing. We're part of a 3D printer group, 3d604.org. We all get together and we just share ideas and stuff. How it works is we have rolls of filament that come in like this, right? And it feeds in the back here, gets heated up to around 220 degrees, and then the extruder extrudes a 0.2 millimeter layer, and then the axis goes down 0.2 millimeters, and it lays another layer on top. So it's just an additive process, and then you can make moving parts and all sorts of things like that. It's really really useful for rapid prototyping. That's where it really shines. A lot of inventors come and use these things because it's expensive to prototype. But with one of these machines, it's literally a matter of cents. As these spools come in kilos, and you can get them for anywhere from $20 to $40 a kilo. Right. And you can set your density, so you can use as much plastic as you want or very little. This is only at 10%, so it's going to be light, but it's not going to cost much to make. And as you can see, we got all these different types of little gadgets and stuff you can make. And it's good for around the house. People have a lot of people around the house to build light switch covers and stuff like that. When people first hear about 3D printing, the first thing they think of is well, what can I do with it? I can't 3D model, I can't do anything like that, but the community for 3D printing is really amazing. There's websites where everyone shares their designs, so even if you don't know how to model, you can still have access to everything that people make. So when people realize that, they see that there's an opportunity for them to get on board and start learning. And once they start printing things off from other people, they get the ambition to start making their own things. And that's when you start to go on Google SketchUp and you do the tutorials, you learn how to 3D model, which is not as hard as people think it is. So yeah, when people first see it, they think of all the different ideas they have and what they could do to create it, and they get really excited. And that's probably the number one thing I see when people come and check this out, is that they just jaw drops to the floor and they get really excited.